Beautiful friends, welcome to the vagal toning and nervous system regulation exercises. Today, to be able to take control of any of the stressors of our everyday life. We're gonna begin sitting down or laying down on your back and just close your eyes and center in. Before we do anything, let's practice the instant presence. Just focus on a deep, long breath in and out your nose. And we're gonna add to this today with just doing a little grabs. I want you to just hold your shoulders, hold different parts of your body as if you were hugging those parts. It's one of the first most important ways to trigger and tell your nervous system that you're safe. And as you're doing it, as you're breathing into it, just give yourself some love. Tell yourself, I am innately okay. I am safe, just the way I am, just exactly where I am. And even if it helps, use a little bit of a massage. You can do it on your face. You can drain your limbs. You can also connect behind your ears. And just give yourself this beautiful love. If you wish, you can even do slight taps. And I love starting the day with this. When we have the highest amount of cortisol or in the midday, just letting yourself, you're okay. Now from this place, we're gonna add to it. And we're going to do a little woo breathing exercise. Together, we're gonna inhale in through your nose. And just start doing this woo first from your jaw. Woo. Feel that vibration, that stimulation. Your body loves this, as 80% of the signals come from the body into the brain, not the other way around. Now, put your hands on your belly and inhale in through your belly. And now exhale the sound of woo. Beautiful. Inhale again in through your belly. And wonderful. Now here's the next one. It's a little funky one. It's this woo-wee sound and expression in your face. It's a very powerful tool for your vagus nerve, and it looks like this. Please just follow right with me. Inhale. Woo-wee, 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 woo-wee. You may even look left, look right with your eyes open and just see everything is safe. Everything right now is perfect. Let the stress diminish into the sound and vibration. Woo-wee, 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 woo-wee. Beautiful. You may use this 2 to 3 times. Allow the sound vibration to go as deep as you need. And sometimes if you're really going through it, allow it to extend even further. Now, the next exercise I would like to embark on is recentering our brain processing. Many of us need that extra boost. And so for this, we're gonna bring your thumb forward in front of you at first into the center. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna be moving your head left and right while your eyes will stay on your thumb. Let us begin left and right. Follow that thumb 3 times to each side. Beautiful. Now let's put it up and same thing, left, right. watch your thumb. Use this powerful brain processing exercise. Now let us put it down, and same thing, but this time let's add the sound to it again. Woo. Beautiful. Now move it to the right side of you, and with the sound if you wish. Now to the left side. Incredible. Shake it off if you wish. Just let it all seep in. Let yourself ground. And the last exercise we're gonna do is a simple 3-6-9 breathing rhythm to allow all of this to ground back down. Inhale through your nose for about 3. And hold your breath for 6. Exhale out your mouth for 9. Inhale for 3. Hold your breath for 6. Exhale out your mouth for 9. And final round, inhale. It was an honor to do this beautiful exercise with you, and I would highly suggest to you, especially if you're living in a highly stressful life, repeat this at least once a day. Add it to your morning or evening ritual, and anytime that you feel this anxiousness, fear, anxiety, worries about the future, the past, bring it back home into the presence, telling yourself and starting with simply stating, I'm innately okay. I'm safe, and look around you. Nothing is on fire. So much love to you.